Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome back to my channel Learn English with Ahad. My name is Ahad, my personal English teacher. So, dear viewers across the globe today, I am taking 5 advanced idioms. Dear viewers, do you know that idioms are the base of English language? If you don't know idioms, that means your English is incomplete. And idioms plays a crucial role in English language. Okay, dear viewers, without wasting a single second, now let's dive into our class. So now let's start with our first advanced idiom. It is to bump into. To bump into. To bump into means to meet someone by chance without planning to meet them. Perform for me. Great job. Okay, now let me take one example of to bump into. I bumped into my old school friend the other day. Perform for me. Great job. Okay, the next advanced idiom is to get on. To get on. To get on means to make progress with something. To make progress with something. Perform for me. Great job. Okay, now let me take one example of to get on. How are you getting your, on your homework? How are you getting on your homework? Perform it for me. Great job. Okay, the next advanced area is to split up. To split up. To split up means to end a relationship or partnership. Perform it for me. Great job. Okay, now let me take one example of to split up. After a long argument, Elizabeth and her boyfriend split up last week. Perform it for me. Great job. Okay, the next advanced idiom is to mess somebody around. To mess somebody around. To mess somebody around means to treat someone in a very bad way. Perform it for me. Great job. Okay, now let me take one example of to mess somebody around. He really messed him around because he cheated on him. Perform it for me. Great job. Okay, the next advanced idiom is to grapple with. To grapple with. To grapple with means try to solve a difficult problem. Perform after me. Great job. Okay, now let me take one example of to grapple with. I just made a study plan yesterday, but it is so difficult I am still grappling with it. Perform for me. Great job. So finally we have finished our 5 advanced idioms. Okay, dear viewers, now let me take a small tongue twister that your tongue will be twist. Then you can talk with anyone easily. Okay, dear viewers, now let's get started. Viewers, the tongue twister is unique New York, 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 unique New York. Perform for me. Dear words, you may try this tongue twister as fast as you can. Perform for me. Great job. Okay, dear words, don't forget to give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Okay, dear words, now see you in the next video. Goodbye.